Good day, ma'am. My name is John Ray Dumusmog. Our topic for today is all about water resources and pollution. Water resources. Water resources are nature resources of water that are potential use of human, for example, as a source of drinking water, supply, or irrigation water. These resources can be either fresh water from natural sources or water produced artificial from other sources, such as from reclaimed water, wastewater, or desalinated water or seawater. Surface water. Perception that does not infiltrate into the ground is known as surface runoff, which flow into river, lake, land, and divided into many distinct drainage bays and watershed. This area drain into many streams and lake. Surface water is most easily accessible where able, which often polluted. Groundwater. This water such percolate down filling that avoids in soil, sediments, and rock. Most groundwater helps layer of high porosity and permeable known as aquifer may be unconfident extend to the surface of confined aquifer bounded on top and bottom by the porosity and permeable materials. Groundwater moves slowly through aquifers from high elevation to low. Human of use of water. Human use of water besides drinking and wasting. People need water for agriculture, industry, household use, and reactional use and environmental use. Average 1% each. Water use for home, industrial, and agriculture purposes into different religions. Water pollution. Water pollution occurs when harmful substance obtain chemical or microorganism contaminate and stream, river, lake, ocean, aquifer, or other body of water, degrading water quality and rendering intoxic to human or the environment. Pollutant types. Organic chemicals including oil, gasoline, plastic, pesticide, solvent, detergents present health risk to humans and other organisms. Inorganic plants, naturals, nutrients, nitrates, and phosphates from fertilizers cause excessive algae and plants grow that lower oxygen levels when they compose. Lake pollution. Lakes have less dilution due to water acidification and known low flow. Pollution recovery can take years rather than the days typical from stream. Less dilution also leads to more bioaccumulation through the food chain. Ever low pollution amount in the water lead to large level into the level projectors. Groundwater pollution. It have longest recovery times from pollution due to low flow, dispersion, and dissolution, colder temperatures, and low bacterial levels may take thousands of years to cleanse itself of degradable waste and non-degradable waste environment. For all intent and purposes, once groundwater is polluted, it's said that we indefinitely. Ocean pollution. Ocean pollution are capable of diluting, dispersing, and degrading high amount of pollutants, particularly that deep ocean swallow, continental shelves more or susceptible and pollution impact of the environment degradation. The most polluted areas are coastal region where raw sewage and industrial waste are dumped directly into the water. 35% of US sewage dumped into marine water. Pollution water. Water pollution is the contamination of water bodies with a negative impact on their uses. It is usually and results of human activities where bodies include lakes, river, ocean, aquifers, reservoirs, and groundwater. Water pollution results when contaminants mix with these water bodies.